Yo guys, how are you doing? It's end of the week and today I'm ending in green, which is pretty sick, and I'm gonna show this trade over here that I took, trades recap. This one over here, you can see executions because it was on my swing account, MetaTrader. Let me just, you can see over here it's lagging a little bit, and don't mind the phone, it's broken. I need to buy a new one, but you can see executions over here on my swing account, so you can see that I actually took this trade. So guys, I'm gonna walk you through from weekly to daily to 4 hour and then 1 hour and how I took this trade. So trade was on Nasdaq over here, my favorite pair. And first, if we start from the daily time frame, we have something over here. So this thing is called new week opening gap, and this is literally the best PDRA in the market. You can see that market came here one time, and remember guys, this is like daily time frame. This is like very high time frame. So look at this, rejection one time, rejection second time, and then boom, skyrocket to the upside. And I was looking like, okay, market is rejecting the new week opening gap. Also, we inverse the only bearish failure gap in the move if we are looking at daily charts, and this to me was like pretty bullish already. Then if we scale to the lower time frame 4 hour, you can see the same thing, relative equal highs resting here and some sort of low resistance liquidity resting over here, because I know that a lot of sellers, especially if we replay here the price action, a lot of sorry, not a lot of players, a lot of traders put their stop loss above this high, like this, like this, and like this. When they saw this move to the downside, they were like, oh, we are gonna for sure dump. But that's not the case, because this wasn't a dump, this was just retracement to the 50% of the range over here. Market perfectly came here, respected 50% of the range, and if I'm right, I think that we are actually respecting some sort of order block over here, and boom, here we go. Do you see? Perfect scenario, everything that we need to see for longs. So on the 1 hour, unfortunately, I didn't see any fair value gaps, and I need to see fair value gaps if I want to enter the market. Then if I scale higher, we have this beautiful 4 hour resting over here. Now the only thing that I need to do is wait for my inversion to enter trade and target these highs over here, these relative equal highs plus all-time highs and all these LR low resistance liquidity that I already told you. And if I play the price like this, okay, here we didn't have the closure, here we didn't have a closure, and boom, there we go. This was like very good closure, especially with this 1 hour over here inversion on the 1 hour. So we have 1 hour inversion, we have huge bullish momentum over here, and also we have kind of change in the state over here and break of structure if you want to use it. We have also that. So pretty much we have every single confluence that we need to see, but unfortunately market didn't close this over here and I didn't want to chase. So if I play the price over here, you can see beautiful closure. I entered here, so long position here, and stop loss was around, I think on 1 hour, like logical stop loss, I placed it here, and I didn't want to see this fair value gap getting retested. Do you know why, guys? Because after we saw this huge momentum to the upside, and after we saw that this was actually a breakaway gap, it just doesn't make sense for me for market to go here and then another move to the upside, because I would lose anyway. So I didn't want to place my stop loss there, so I put it here, and I was targeting, I think here, actually I was targeting a little bit more because I want to take one-on-one, and my entry was somewhere here, something around this, guys. It was something around this, if I'm right. You saw my executions, and if we play the price, it was pretty obvious that it's gonna play out literally like zero drawdown. Now the only thing that I could do better about this trade is maybe to hold it to 1 to 2, because if we go to the forex factory, you can oversee here CPI came very bullish. So yeah, news came out very bullish, and I could hold the price. I could just go like break even here and then let the price go towards this better risk to reward basically, but I completely forget about it. And yeah, that's something that I will journal for sure for my next trade, and that's how I'm gonna make even more money, because my win rate is already huge. Now my risk to reward is gonna be even better if I keep in mind this in swing trades. So yeah, guys, I didn't take anything today in New York session. You can see that market pretty much just chopped, as you can see right here, like this. So yeah, I didn't take anything. So yeah guys, that's gonna be it for me for today, and I'm gonna see you in another recap. Bye.